Una sa ating mga balita, nanindigan ng Malacanang na nakabatay ang reklamo ng Pilipinas sa itinatadhana ng United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea o UNCLOS na inihain sa International Tribunal kaugnay na agawan ng teritoryo sa West Philippine Sea. Sinabi ito ni Presidential Communications Secretary Sunny Coloma sa pahayag umano ng China na bias at pabor umano sa Pilipinas ang International Tribunal. Paliwanag ng kalihim, maging ang Group of Seven o G7 Declaration ay nanindigan na sa kahalagahan ng pagtalima sa rule of law. Dagdag pa nito, nakabatay rin ang determinasyon ni Pangulo Aquino sa usapin ng maritime entitlement sa West Philippine Sea alinsunod sa mapayapa at diplomatikong paraan.
Expressing concern over the South China Sea issue, the Group of Seven or G7 Declaration affirmed the importance of upholding the rule of law. Adherence to the rule of law as embodied in the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea has always been the linchpin of Philippine policy. President Aquino has been determined in pursuing an advocacy for a rules-based, peaceful and diplomatic resolution of disputes on maritime entitlements in the South China Sea or West Philippine Sea, and has gained broad-based support in the international community such as the ASEAN, APEC, the G7, and in the European Union. This advocacy has brought to light the critical importance of upholding freedom of navigation and freedom of overflight, and has been the basis for the Philippines' decision to file a petition with the Permanent Court of Arbitration in The Hague. This move of the Philippines has been welcomed and encouraged by many nations.